Well, as law enforcement agencies and security companies continue to have staff shortages across the country, one company with Iowa ties is seeing an increase in business. Now, that business is a software agency that helps prevent threats. So Local 5's Chloe Maycock, you spoke with members of the company about how it all kind of works. You joined us now to kind of share what this is all about. Good morning.
Good morning, Jackie. And that company is only about 3 years old, and they tell me they are seeing growth, and they say it works because they attach computer vision to machines that help cameras monitor what they're seeing. In 2021, fewer new officers were hired across the country, while resignations and retirements increased during the same period compared to the previous years, according to the Police Executive Research Forum. Now, these law enforcement agencies in central Iowa tell Local 5 they're also seeing a shortage.
You think about the job market right now, people are having a really difficult time trying to fill those positions.
Katie Krug with Skyla, a software company dealing with artificial intelligence, says this is where her company comes in.
We develop AI-powered video analytics for real-time threat detection. So what that means is we're using computer vision and machine learning to monitor existing video cameras that are already in place.
Krug says their AI is getting more attention now. She suspects because certain law enforcement and security agencies still need to protect but don't have the people to monitor things like security cameras. So this is how their software works. If a camera has their software and sees a gun or other weapon, this dashboard will start to flash. Then a notification is immediately sent to the governing department telling them a threat was detected.
There's a lot of benefits to the AI.
Chris Greiner with Skyla says their intelligence could have been helpful in situations like the subway shooting in New York because it also recognizes faces and would have alerted subway staff that their cameras were broken.
You know, a human can only watch 4 or 5 cameras for 4 or 5 minutes before we start missing things. But the AI can watch 24/7, it never blinks, it never looks away. It just passively, quietly sits and watches.
Now, that equipment is used by the Iowa State Fair Police, and I did ask them, how this works for them, and they replied in a statement saying, "We are always open to utilizing technology that can provide the fair or fairgrounds with an additional set of eyes for objects, actions, or behavioral anomalies."